I'm going to share with you today some Revlon nail polish. Now, I don't wear this kind of crazy red so often. I usually go with the light tones. I've got a nice base coat on right now. And this is Raven Red 721. They come in a lot of different reds. I'm not sure if this particular one is available on the Amazon site where you're shopping right now, but certainly this brand and I guess, what is it called, series of nail polishes is. So let me show you it going on and give you a few words about the performance. So that's just one coat, and as you can see, it's pretty solid. Okay, so I'll do the rest of my nails, and I'll put a second coat on, and then you can have another look. Okay, now I'm 57 years old, I'm blind as a bat, and yet I managed to do this even with my left hand. I'm right-handed. I did get a few bits and pieces here, not properly where they're supposed to be, but it's two coats, and you can see it's quite dark. This is indeed like a crimson maroon red, very gothic, but quite nice. Okay, let's see how this wears over time. I'm notorious for getting chips, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, this is day 3 of my nail polish wearing with Revlon, and as you can see, it's looking a little worse for wear already, and that's because I never cleaned up the mess-ups I did in the first place, and also because this is a problem with me. On the second coat, I think I didn't wait long enough for it to dry, and then let's zoom in a bit here. And as you might be able to see, I went to bed and pressed down and ruined the texture. And you might be able to also see here that it's already starting to wear down. Not chip, however, just wear down. Now, does that mean this is bad? No, actually, on the contrary, usually nail polish never lasts well with me. I'm not good at applying it. I'm probably the worst person to be reviewing a nail polish, and I should keep to the lighter colors so my misses don't show up so bad. But for the price point and for what I wanted for this one go, I don't wear red very often. I'm pleased with it. I'm not one to go through those gel things because my nails are very thin and fragile and rigid, and gel just kills them. So I do prefer the traditional nail polish deal. So if you're better with nails, I'm sure you'll be better at putting this on with me, and you'll be a lot more impressed with Revlon. There you go.